15 needle embroidery machine table plate installation. Flat and embroidery teaching. Table plate installation. First, remove these 4 screws. Position the table plate with the counterbore holes facing upward. Then, install the table plate. Place the table plate on top of the 4 pillars. Use the 4 screws you removed earlier and screw them into the holes. Do not tighten them yet. After all screws are turned in, then tighten them securely. This completes the table plate installation. Now we will install the cap frame holder. We are installing the 490/320 mm size. Push the holder all the way in. Tighten the 2 screws. Do the same on this side. Install the cap frame with the fabric already attached. After installation, we need to perform a frame moving operation first. First, cancel the embroidery, release the pattern. Select the size of the embroidery frame you are using. Then exit. Select the pattern you want to embroider. Then, select the colors for your embroidery. Set your color change sequence. It's usually preset. Then press OK. You can choose center embroidery or use the arrow keys to select your desired embroidery position. Then, confirm the embroidery pattern. Press Start to begin embroidering.